Hi friends, today I am going to teach you how to play chess in just two videos. So let's start the session. In chess we have white piece and black piece, which are arranged in this order. Now I will teach you how coins move and what are their points. This is called a pawn. At first pawn can move one or two steps. Later pawn can only move one step. Pawn have only one point. Now you may think that the white pawn can beat black pawn, but it is not possible. The pawns can beat each other in only in diagonal, like this. When the pawn is in the diagonal side, the black pawn can beat this. You may think that when the pawn reaches the last line, there is no way to go. That is wrong. When the pawn reaches the last line, it gets promoted into queen, bishop, rook or knight. We can select any one of these. I am promoting it into a queen. Thus the pawn gets promoted into a queen. Like this in black also the same. Next we can see which is easy to understand. Second is rook. Rook can move in straight way. It doesn't matter which side it moves, but it can move in all the sides in only straight way. Rook's point is 5. Next, here comes bishop. The bishop can only move diagonally. There are two bishops in each side. The bishop can move diagonally in all four directions. Then knight. Knight moves in L shape. There are two knights like bishop in each side. Bishop and knight have 3 points. You may think that knight cannot move here, but knight have a ability to jump coins. It can move like jumping in L-shaped direction. Now let's talk about queen. Queen can move both like rook and bishop, that is diagonal, vertical and horizontal. And queen have 9 points. At last, king. The king can only move one step, but in all direction. King is the main piece in chess. From this, we can end this video. In next part, we will learn basic principles and rules of chess. Until that, stay tuned. Bye everyone.